Honestly, LumeBloom.com feels like one of those websites you come across and instantly think, this would look so nice in my room. The designs are really eye-catching and give off a soft, cozy vibe that's perfect if you like aesthetic lighting or want to make your space feel a bit more special. It doesn't feel like a typical boring store. The products actually look thoughtful, almost like they're made to create a mood rather than just serve a purpose. That's what makes it stand out. What I like is that everything seems very visually appealing without being overly expensive, so it feels accessible too. If you're someone who enjoys decorating your room, setting up a cute corner, or even gifting something unique to a friend, this kind of store can be pretty exciting. It gives that small aesthetic brand feeling that a lot of people are into right now. As for whether it's worth it or not, I'd say it depends on what you're looking for. If you care more about how something looks and the vibe it creates, then yeah, it can definitely feel worth it. But like with any online store that focuses on trendy designs, it's always smart to not go all in at once. Maybe try one item first and see how you like it. Overall, LumeBloom.com gives a good impression as a stylish and cozy decor store. It might not be something everyone needs, but if you love aesthetic setups and soft lighting, there's a good chance you'll enjoy what it offers.